Stay awake.
He can't stay awake. He's trying so hard. Yes. Oh.
Those hands.
Yes. There he's woken himself back up.
Yep. You got it.
Yeah. He's lifting his head up.
Yeah.
You are lifting your head up, mister. You're 4 days old. He isn't even 5 days old yet. And he's trying to lift his head up. You wacko.
He's got big dreams.
Oh, don't fall over. Yeah, I know you're tired. Oh, there goes a poop. Now we have to clean you up and you're going to cry because you're getting tired. Okay.
So sad.
Yeah.
Nope.
Now
we
he's
gotta wait because there could be an aftershock. It happens a lot.
Get your head back over here. I wasn't liking where it was going. Yes, you're so funny. Okay.